Hello and welcome. Burger King's fiery chicken nuggets are here. They're glazed nuggets, and you get 8 for $2.49 here for a limited time. Napkins. And they come in this little bag. They threw in some ranch. That's what they look like. I guess I'll rip the bag open a little bit and go in for a close-up. So, standard looking nuggets, but they are covered in a glazy sauce. Look at it. The remnants of the sauce all over the bag. And looks like a saucy situation. So you saw that close-up. These are nice saucy nuggets. I went in and I saw the lady put them in a plastic Tupperware bowl. Squirted sauce on there, put the lid on it, shook it up. So these are tossed and sauced. So let's try them. They're still really hot too. Right, they are saucy. $2.49 for 8 of these. And there's a nice little zesty, peppery flavor. Cayenne, maybe. Okay, there's a lot going on here. There's some kind of like dry seasonings in here. I think it might be garlic powder, maybe salt, and then there's like cayenne pepper or something. Whatever it is, it works. And these don't really need a sauce, but I'm going to dip them in the sauce. So, the top didn't come off all the way. Good in the ranch. It's good by itself. Look at that glistening nugget. It's kind of like boneless wings. And they're good. One more dip in the ranch. So the fiery chicken nuggets from Burger King are a winner. Look how glistening that is. They're tossed in sauce like boneless wings. And we all know those are nuggets, and these are nuggets, and they're tossed in the sauce. And hope they come out with more sauces. And you can't beat the price, $2.49. This is a 8.74 out of 10. So as always, thank you for watching. You have a great day.